Hi students, today's question is given below are two statements. Statement 1, aluminium is more electropositive than thallium as the standard electrode potential value of E naught Al3 plus Al is negative and E naught Tl3 plus by Tl is positive. It is actually correct. How? When the value for EL3 plus is 1 minus 1.66 volt and for thallium it is near to plus 1.25 volt. This can be found in electrochemical series. Okay, electrochemical series in the redox chapter it can be found the details that aluminum is has this a negative value and thallium has positive value. A more negative potential means a greater tendency to lose electron. Okay, a more negative means greater tendency to lose electron, so that's why greater electropositivity happens. Okay, so the statement is correct, number one. Statement two, the sum of the first three ionization enthalpies of boron is very high when compared to the aluminium. Due to this reason, boron forms covalent compounds only and aluminium forms Al3 plus ion. That is actually also correct. How it is correct? Because the first ionization enthalpy of boron are indeed much higher than that of aluminium because boron is very small in size. That's why ionization energy, okay, 1 plus ionization energy 2 plus ionization energy 3 for boron will be very near to the 8000 kilojoule per mole, but for aluminium same thing will be the addition will be near to 5100 something like that. It will be 5100 kilojoule approximately, and because of this high energy requirement the formation of B3 plus is energetically not favorable either or very feasible, but in case of aluminium it is very easy to get Al3 plus as an ion. We have seen many compounds with AlCl3 like LOH whole 3, the oil where Al has plus 3 ionization. So the statement 2 is also true. That's why both statements are true. Option 1 is the correct. Thank you class. Please like, share and subscribe and comment below.